Hello, boys and girls. We are ready to explore sort 23, a new list, and we're going to be focusing on a sound that is the exact same for all three of your categories. We will have two oddballs in the sort, so you will need a total of 4 different colors. In the sort, we are listening for a sound aw. And with all 3 of your headers, other than your oddball, you are going to hear that sound in the word. So I'm going to pick my first color, and I'm going to go with yellow this time. The aw sound in the first syllable spelled with an A-U. And the header that we have for that is saucer, saw, aw, sir. So if you hear that sound aw, that is the sound we are listening for. So saucer would belong in the AU category. We also have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 that follow that AU aw pattern. Okay, so the next word we can find is author, aw sound in the AU category. We also have the month with a capital, August, August belongs in that category. We have the season, autumn, autumn, AU, autumn belongs in that category. We have laundry, AU in the first syllable. We have the word caution, caution in the first syllable. We have the word faucet, like a sink, faucet, first syllable AU. We have a yummy food, sausage, sausage, first syllable AU. We have the word auction, auction, when we're selling things. And the last word in this category for aw sound in the first syllable is haunted, haunted. So that will be our first category, aw in the first syllable color. So you're going to pick a second color, and we're going to look at the aw sound with a W. So I'm going to go blue here, aw. And the example that they give you for the header is the word awful, aw would belong in this category. We have 2, 4, 6 that are hiding in the sort that belong with the aw sound spelled A-W. One we can find is right below awkward, awkward, awkward. If something's awkward, you might feel a little funny. Awkward. The next AW we can find is lawyer. A lawyer, aw. I'm going to underline aw, lawyer. Lawyer. That's kind of hard to say, huh? Our next one we have is awesome, awesome, AW, awesome. We have the word nod. If your dog gnawed on your shoes, he chewed them, gnaw, aw sound. The next one we have is gawking, aw, looking at somebody in a strange way, gawking. Flawless, aw, AW, flawless, meaning perfect. And that will wrap up our third category. Our last category we have is aw, but spelled A-L. So I'm going to go pink here. Aw, also is the header example. Also. We have always, first syllable. We have almost there. We have although. And the last word that belongs in this category is already. All sound. The other two that we have that I'm going to leave are our oddballs of laughed. Laughed is definitely going to be an oddball. And our other word here, all right, is two words. Even though it has an all sound, it's not going to fit in one of the headers. So those are going to be your oddballs. Okay, those do not fit into a particular category. All right and laughed. Those are the oddballs here. So as you take your test is going to look very similar to what you're used to, where you will have your 4 categories: all, saucer, all, awful, all, also, and your oddball. So really practice listening to the sounds, using these in a sentence, having words that you can come back to. If you have any questions, raise your hand and ask your teacher, but now you can start to cut your words and start sorting them. Good luck!